Okay, Ji. Question number 34 from the book, June 2012, paper 1, question number 5. Prove the identity of 10x plus 1 upon 10x equivalent to 1 upon sin x cos x. So what we're going to do is we can write this thing as sin x upon cos x plus 1 upon sin x upon cos x. We can reciprocal sin x upon cos x, and this can be plus cos x upon sin x. The LCM for this is sin x cos x. The LCM for this is sin x cos x. So this becomes sin square x and this becomes cos square x, which is equivalent to 1 upon sin x cos x. So this is what we had to prove in part 1, 1 upon sin x cos x. Then part 2 says 2 upon sin x cos x is equal to 1 plus 3 10x, right? So what we can do is we can solve this thing down. We can take 2 separately, and this will be 1 upon sin x cos x is equal to 1 plus 3 10x. 1 plus sin x cos x can be written as 2 10x plus 1 upon 10x is equal to 1 plus 3 10x. Moving on with the solution, what we can do is this would be 2. Taking down the LCM, this would be 10 square x plus 1 upon 10x is equal to 1 plus 3 10x. 2 10 square x plus 2 is equal to 10x plus 3 10 square x. This 10x in the denominator goes on the other side and get multiplied. So what we have is 3 10 square x minus 2 10 square x plus 10 square 10x minus 2 is equal to what? 0. So this would be 10 square x plus 10x minus 2 is equal to 0. 10 square x plus 10x, a correction to this. Oh, that was fine. This is plus. So 10x, 2 10x, 2 10x minus 10x minus 2 is equal to 0. 10x is common. 10x plus 2 minus 1, 10x plus 2. So this would be 10 x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. 10x is equal to 1. 10x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 10 inverse 1, which is x is equal to 45. X is equal to 10 inverse 2. While calculating, x is equal to 10 inverse 2. X is equal to 63.4. Now, since I know the first quadrant, is always positive. So the answer would be 45. And obviously the question clearly mentions that the degree to this is 180. So till 180, your first answer is 45. But obviously for negative, your 10 is negative in the second quadrant, which is 63.4, which is 63.4. So what we're going to do is 180 minus 63.4, which is 116.6. So there are two answers, 45 and 116.6 for the question that is tested in June 2012, paper 1, question number 5.